Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Microsoft Power Automate in your computer in a very simple way. Microsoft Power Automate automates files, emails, and workflows using a visual interface. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, and here you have to search for Microsoft Power Automate. So here you have to going to get the Microsoft Store. So if you click on this one, click on the download option. And as you can see, the download has been completed. Now, if you click on it 2 times to install, simply minimize your background tab. And here is a Power Automate brightly showing. And now it's about 241.6 MB. So it will going to take some seconds to complete. For that, you have to keep your patience. And now as you can see, the download and the installation is completed and the Power Automate is likely getting things ready.